Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of affiliate marketing. It's incredible how AI is making it easier to promote products and increase commissions, isn't it?
Absolutely. AI streamlining tasks like content creation and campaign management is a game changer. These tasks used to be so time-consuming, but now they can be automated. What do you think is the biggest benefit of AI for marketers?
I'd say automation is key. AI can handle repetitive tasks such as posting content and optimizing ad campaigns. It even suggests the best subject lines for email engagement. Imagine the time saved on those activities.
For sure, and AI's ability to create product descriptions and reviews automatically is a huge plus. It ensures that marketers can focus on strategy rather than getting bogged down in details. How do you see AI impacting website traffic for affiliates?
AI's role in driving traffic is fascinating. By creating SEO-friendly content and building backlinks, marketers can plan comprehensive traffic campaigns. This boosts the chances of potential customers clicking on affiliate links. What's your take on AI's promotional capabilities?
AI-generated promotions are indeed powerful. They lead to higher engagement and conversion rates, which means more commissions for marketers. It's like having a 24/7 assistant optimizing every move. Have you noticed how AI impacts the quality of content?
Definitely. AI delivers professional, polished content that enhances a marketer's credibility. Plus, it allows for more personalized interactions with audiences. But do you think there's a downside to relying on AI?
Well, while AI offers incredible efficiency, there's always the risk of losing the human touch in marketing. It's crucial to strike a balance and ensure that AI complements human creativity rather than replacing it. How do you think marketers can maintain that balance?
It's all about integrating AI tools wisely and using human insights to guide AI outputs. Marketers should leverage AI for data and efficiency while maintaining authenticity in their messaging. Do you see any emerging trends with AI in affiliate marketing?
One trend is the increased use of AI for predictive analytics, helping marketers anticipate customer needs and optimize strategies accordingly. As AI continues to evolve, its role in understanding consumer behavior will expand. What's your outlook on the future of AI in this field?
The future looks promising. With continuous advancements, AI will likely provide even deeper insights and more innovative solutions. Affiliate marketers who embrace these tools will find themselves ahead of the curve. It's an exciting time, don't you think?
Absolutely. The synergy between AI technology and affiliate marketing is just beginning. Those who adapt will certainly reap the benefits. As we wrap up, any final thoughts?
Just that embracing AI is essential for modern marketers. By automating tasks, building traffic, and enhancing content quality, AI paves the way for more effective strategies and better results.
Well said. AI is indeed revolutionizing affiliate marketing, making it more dynamic and efficient. Thanks for the insightful discussion today.
Thank you. Looking forward to exploring more tech innovations next time.